again, this is Rick with AmazingAccuracy.com. It is currently July 17, 2019, 2:13 p.m. Chicago time. Okay, a few days ago I uploaded a video on this market, that's the euro currency, and what I did was I warned you all about this upcoming bottom that you see right here, July 9th, and I says we would at the very least want to see a couple of day pop, and we did get at least 2-day pop with a duration of 5 days total before the overall decline, which it worked great. And if you went ahead and capitalized on it in a day trade, kudos to you. I did the same, jumped in. As soon as I saw it tiring out after a couple of days, bailed out, got a good chunk of it, feeling good, and just staying on the sidelines and being entertained by what I see. Now, we can see that it topped out a couple of days later overall, but it didn't make the overall move until 2 days later from that, which was the 15th. But here we have the top on July 11th. And if you recall from the previous video, and if you haven't seen it, go back and look at it. You'll see that I mentioned 2 days because we had this upcoming F date for July 11th. You see it has a little star in here. That's what we call a dollar sign F date. Did I say star? My brain is in the sogweeds. Okay, so we got this top here confirmed. We got the lower low here. Then it made a lower swing top, moving even lower here. Bingo. Nailed it with this F date again. So that's 2 swing turns in a row that we are just nailing here. And then I let you know in advance that these things are going to happen. So here's the thing. Now that we got this downturn here in the euro off of this F date, look where we got the next F date. It's July 19th. That's Friday. It also has this less than sign in there, which basically means that, you see, a turn can occur within a day. That could be one trading day before, one trading day after, or just right smack in the middle. But when you see this less than sign, that just says that if it's going to be early or late, the probability is higher that it will be early as opposed to late. Doesn't mean that it will, it just means the probability is higher. We deal with odds, we don't deal with certainty, only God does. So here, July 19th is Friday. We're looking for a swing turn there. So here's the thing, I'm going to sit back and watch this. I would love to see this low go into this oversold area right here, this red zone, which starts at 1.1229. That's 1.1229 in the euro currency, futures currency, that is, not Forex. So if you go to the Forex, you're going to have to find where the equivalent is for the EURUSD Forex pair. It makes the same moves, the same turns, but the value on Forex is, it's cash on spot as opposed to futures, which is, well, future. So I'm giving you the future here. 1.1229 is that level. So you want to see that kind of break into that oversold, because that would just be extra ammunition to expect the turn to occur in this next F date, July 19th. I'm going to start looking as early as July 18th for support. I'm going to go ahead and grab that for another run, and that is expected to be like a 2-3 dayer move before it starts to flip-flop again in one way or the other. Okay, so go back and see my original video a few days ago when I first talked about this turn that was going to happen with a couple of day pop at the very least. We got that. We got this turn on the dollar sign F date, and now I'm giving you another one in advance. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Click on the notification button. You want to be notified of these videos before the turns actually occur. Otherwise, you're watching history, which is fine because you can go back and just see how wonderful and smack on these F dates are. Come visit us at AmazingAccuracy.com. And thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.